Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. If you're new to my channel, here is where I share the crochet patterns that I design and I hope you have some fun crocheting them. So today I'm sharing with you a mini snowman. You can head over to the website and check out the free version of this snowman amigurumi pattern. I will leave the link in the description box below this video, and there you'll have the written instructions, the detailed materials, and also a bunch of photo tutorials to help you along the way. If you don't know, this snowman is part of a mini Christmas ornament amigurumi patterns that I've been publishing here on this YouTube channel. This gingerbread woman is one of my favorite. And if you are in the mood for the Christmas, I invite you to check out my ebook. It's a original Christmas tale about the gingerbread man who goes to an adventure. It's a very nice story with 11 characters, which all of them are crocheted patterns. So you can enjoy this tale and you can bring all of the characters to life. It's never seen before and I'm sure you will enjoy. And as for now, this ebook is with 50% discount off. Now, while this snowman amigurumi pattern is free and you can have all the access on my website, I also have the PDF printable version with a little bit more of photos on Etsy and on my Ravelry shop. So if you wish to purchase a PDF version, you can grab on my shops, or you can become a Patreon member. And there, for a small monthly fee, you'll have access to download the patterns that I publish here on this YouTube channel. So if you join the Patreon today, you'll get access to download this mini snowman. But if you're watching this video a little bit later and this pattern is not there anymore for you to download, don't worry, always from the moment you join, it will have there at least the 4 most recent designs that I publish here on this YouTube channel. So if that sounds exciting to you, I invite you to check out my Patreon page and I would love to see you there. If this snowman crochet patterns made you smile, if you think he's cute, or if you just are in a mood for today, leave me a like, leave me a comment in the comment box below, or consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. All of these actions might be small to you, but it helped me a lot. And I thank you very much for doing that. Now that's it from me from today. I hope you like this pattern, I hope you have some fun, and I will see you soon with the next free pattern. Bye!